Deep in the heart of Mexico, a creature of remarkable abilities lies hidden beneath the water's surface. The axolotl, a unique type of salamander, captivates us with its almost mythical qualities. Unlike its counterparts, this amphibian remains in its larval stage throughout its life, retaining a youthful appearance. Its feathery gills, a crown of delicate filaments, dance around its head, giving it an ethereal presence. But what truly sets this creature apart is its astonishing ability to defy the normal constraints of injury. The axolotl possesses a secret: its exceptional regenerative capabilities. Imagine a world where lost limbs could regrow, where damaged organs could be replaced as if by magic. For the axolotl, this is not fantasy, but a biological reality. It can regenerate not just limbs, but also its spinal cord, heart parts, and other vital organs. This remarkable power makes the axolotl a subject of intense scientific study, holding the potential to unlock new avenues in regenerative medicine. The axolotl, a master of disguise in its natural habitat, is a creature of subtle beauty. Its body, elongated and somewhat flattened, is perfectly adapted for gliding through its watery home. The skin, smooth and soft to the touch, feels almost velvety. A broad head, adorned with those remarkable gills, houses a pair of wide, dark eyes that seem to hold an ancient wisdom. Beneath the water's surface, it observes its surroundings with a quiet stillness, patiently waiting for prey to venture too close. Perhaps the most captivating feature of the axolotl is its crown of external gills, those delicate feathery appendages that sprout from the back of its head. These gills, 3 on each side, resemble delicate branches of coral swaying in a gentle current. They are the axolotl's lifeline, allowing it to breathe underwater without ever needing to surface for air. Each gill filament is covered in tiny blood vessels, creating a large surface area for absorbing dissolved oxygen from the water. This unique adaptation to a fully aquatic life distinguishes the axolotl from most other salamander species. While the image of a pale pink axolotl with crimson gills might be the most iconic, these creatures actually exhibit a surprising range of coloration. In the wild, they are most commonly found in shades of brown, olive green, and even black. These darker colors provide camouflage in the murky depths of their natural habitat. In captivity, selective breeding has led to the development of several other color variations, including leucistic, albino, and melanoid. Whether adorned in the muted tones of the wild or the striking hues of captive breeding, the axolotl's beauty lies in its unique morphology and remarkable adaptations. The axolotl's world is one of ancient origins, a testament to a time when vast lakes and waterways dominated the Valley of Mexico. These waters, fed by mountain springs and seasonal rains, created a unique ecosystem, a haven for diverse life forms, including the enigmatic axolotl. The axolotl's natural habitat is restricted to the southern reaches of Mexico City, a stark contrast to its historical range. Here in the remaining lakes and canals, it finds refuge, its very existence intertwined with the ebb and flow of these life-giving waters. The lake bed, a mosaic of soft mud, decaying vegetation, and scattered rocks, provides ample hiding places for the axolotl. Perhaps the most iconic image associated with the axolotl is that of the canals of Xochimilco, a network of waterways on the southern edge of Mexico City. These canals, remnants of a once vast lake system, are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to their cultural and ecological significance. The floating gardens, known as chinampas, provide some refuge, their submerged roots and surrounding vegetation offering shelter and breeding grounds. However, the encroachment of urbanization, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species pose significant threats to the axolotl's survival in this fragile ecosystem. Conservation efforts are underway to control the spread of invasive species, but the challenges are immense. Sadly, the axolotl's once vast watery realm has shrunk dramatically over the centuries. The lakes and canals that once cradled these creatures have been drained and polluted, their shorelines consumed by the relentless expansion of Mexico City. The introduction of non-native fish species, such as tilapia and carp, has further compounded the axolotl's plight. Pollution from sewage, industrial runoff, and agricultural chemicals has also taken a toll on the axolotl's fragile habitat. The axolotl story is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact human actions can have on the natural world. The axolotl possesses a remarkable gift, the power of regeneration. Unlike humans and most other animals, which form scars over wounds, the axolotl can regenerate lost or damaged body parts with astonishing accuracy. It can regenerate limbs, tails, sections of his spinal cord, parts of his heart, and even portions of his brain. This remarkable feat is made possible by a complex interplay of cellular processes that scientists are only beginning to unravel. When an axolotl is injured, the cells at the wound site revert to a primitive embryonic-like state, forming blastema cells that can become any type of cell in the body. The process of limb regeneration in the axolotl is a captivating example of this creature's extraordinary abilities. Within days of losing a limb, a blood clot forms at the wound site, preventing excessive bleeding. The surrounding skin cells then begin to migrate, covering the wound and forming a protective layer known as the wound epidermis. Beneath this epidermal layer, cells from the surrounding tissues dedifferentiate, reverting to their pluripotent state and forming the blastema. Over a period of weeks to months, a fully functional limb emerges, often indistinguishable from the original. The axolotl's remarkable regenerative abilities have captivated the attention of scientists worldwide, offering a unique window into the secrets of tissue regeneration and the potential for medical breakthroughs. Researchers are diligently studying the intricate molecular pathways and cellular processes that govern regeneration in the axolotl, hoping to unlock the secrets to stimulating similar processes in humans. The study of axolotl regeneration has already yielded valuable insights into cell signaling pathways, gene regulation, and the role of the immune system in tissue repair. By unraveling the complex interplay of these factors, scientists hope to develop novel therapies for a wide range of degenerative diseases and traumatic injuries. The axolotl, a creature of seemingly mythical abilities, may hold the key to unlocking the regenerative potential that lies dormant within our own cells. The life of an axolotl, though seemingly tranquil beneath the water's surface, follows a distinct rhythm dictated by the cycles of day and night. As creatures of the twilight hours, they are most active at dawn and dusk, periods of subdued light that offer a cloak of invisibility from both predator and prey. During these times, they emerge from their daytime retreats to hunt, explore, and engage in social interactions. Unlike their terrestrial salamander relatives, the axolotl remains submerged throughout its life, relying on its feathery gills to extract oxygen from the water. The axolotl's activity patterns are also influenced by the water temperature, with warmer temperatures stimulating increased movement and feeding behavior. The axolotl, with its perpetually smiling face and seemingly docile nature, harbors a surprisingly carnivorous appetite. It is a stealthy predator, lurking in the shadows and ambushing its unsuspecting victims with remarkable speed. Its diet, though somewhat limited by its aquatic environment, is surprisingly diverse, encompassing a range of small creatures that share its watery realm. Worms, insect larvae, small crustaceans, and even the occasional tadpole all find themselves on the axolotl's menu. Its presence helps to maintain the delicate balance of its aquatic habitat. The axolotl's life is intricately linked to water. Unlike many amphibians, it breeds and raises its young entirely underwater. Courtship involves elaborate dances, with the male depositing spermatophores. The female picks up the spermatophores, fertilizing her eggs internally. She lays hundreds of eggs, attaching them to aquatic plants. The eggs hatch into larvae, with feathery gills, resembling miniature adults. These larvae are independent from birth, showcasing remarkable regenerative abilities. This extraordinary ability captivates scientists worldwide. The axolotl, a creature of captivating charm and unparalleled regenerative prowess, faces an uncertain future. Once abundant in the ancient lakes and waterways of Mexico, it now teeters on the precipice of extinction in the wild. A stark reminder of the profound impact human activities can have on even the most resilient of species. The very waters that cradled these creatures for millennia are now, in many places, a testament to our disregard for the natural world. Pollution, habitat destruction, and the introduction of invasive species have taken a devastating toll on axolotl populations. The canals of Xochimilco, once a vibrant tapestry of life, are now fragmented and polluted, their waters choked with invasive plants and littered with debris. The relentless expansion of Mexico City has encroached upon their remaining strongholds, leaving them with fewer and fewer places to seek refuge. The axolotl's plight is a poignant reminder that the fate of all species, and including our own, is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. As stewards of the natural world, we have a moral imperative to protect the axolotl and the fragile ecosystems upon which it depends. Conservation efforts, though commendable, face an uphill battle against the tide of urbanization, pollution, and apathy. The time to act is now, before the axolotl's ethereal beauty fades into a distant memory. By raising awareness, supporting conservation initiatives, and advocating for responsible environmental policies, we can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. Their survival hinges on our collective will to protect them. The axolotl, with its remarkable ability to regenerate lost body parts, stands as a symbol of hope. Their existence challenges our understanding of biological healing, offering a glimpse into a future where spinal cord injuries and heart damage might be reversible. The axolotl cytone's regenerative prowess stems from a complex interplay of cellular processes. Scientists hope to harness these processes to stimulate similar regeneration in humans. The implications are profound, potentially revolutionizing regenerative medicine. Imagine a world where severed limbs could be regrown, spinal cord injuries reversed, and heart tissue repaired, all thanks to the secrets unlocked from the humble axolotl. Their survival is our shared responsibility. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified when the next video is available. Also, click the next video on the right or the left to watch other interesting animals. Also, check the description below for links to nice products